in the bumper section after put a tape, primer, and sandpaper, and using primer gray and the light color of duplicate color. So here's the finishing touch for this bumper issue when I hit by a ban also in McDonald's. So before there's a problem issue about the dent and the color or scratch. So now, as my base of experience and knowledge about the paint, now I apply to myself how to repair the paint and the color of your vehicle. Okay, no need to go to shop to auto body shop just to leave your vehicle and pay $100 or $1,000 just to repaint. Okay, I do it to myself. Just buy a paint, primer, sandpaper, and tape. See, as you can see, it's a big different color because it's hard to get original color of metallic blue. So I buy a combination of this color, original color, and metallic blue dark color. So same blue but with mixed color of black now and blue and metallic color. So it's fine for me because it's old vehicle since 2004. So more than 20 years. So that's not important. The issue about the paint and no issue about the engine. That's the worst. So this is a first coating from now. So maybe hopefully this week or next week we finish this by second coating. Okay. And some issue about the it's like bubbles or like this. It's basic and easy to repair that. But so now it's not a big issue for me to repair that. So we are focusing to another side of this vehicle to finish the one side of the wheelhouse at the right side, okay, at the back. So for now, slightly we can use this for after going in Regina, Canada. So let's see after our journey to go there. If there's some issue about the paint, it's easy, basic knowledge. That's the tips for today. How to save your money in your pocket instead going to somewhere in the auto body shop. Okay, so see you guys. I hope you already catch what I'm saying. It's like amazing tips for you guys. So just click the button and the notification bell for more videos to come. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, so that's it for now. Basic tips. So how to repair your own vehicle just less than $50 or $40. Just only you do buy a tape, paint, primer, and sandpaper. That's it. Less than $50 or more than 60 plus tax. So I know you can do that for your own save money instead by paying a big amount of $100 or $1,000 about this bumper repair. Okay, see you guys. Hopefully you like this video. Just click the button line and subscribe and notification bell. Okay, see you guys.